guys, what are you doing? Chili. Hey, babes. Your face is all dirty, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. Where you going, baby? What do you think, Everest? Hi. Hi, Chili. Hi, Chili. Hi, sweetie. Look at that dirty face. Oh no, look at Juno. She's got a dirty face too. Oh, Aspen. Aspen's really dirty. You guys, you're wearing most of it. Real sillies. You're so silly. Mama will have to come down here and clean you up. Give you guys a bath. Yeah. Look at her little tail. Waggy, waggy, waggy. Who's this? Hi, Mittens. Hi, sweetie. Where are you going, Everest? You gonna check out the potty pool? Oh, Juno, she's fierce. What you gonna do, babe? Oh, really? Oh, no. Lots of room to play down here, huh, guys? Hey, let's go in your potty pool. There we go. In your pool. The first one to use the potty pool, that is Yukon. Good boy, Yukon. Even though I put you in there, but still doing good, buddy. Good boy. You guys, you made such a mess, but you ate a lot. Good boy, Yukon. Good boy. Not to be gross, but the first one, that will bring everybody else in there too. Oh no, you're making a mess. There we go, Yukon. Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. What a good boy. Good boy, Yukon. What in the world are those mamas doing up there? Oh no, Everest. Go in there, baby. Go in there, baby.